Hi everyone, let's take a look on how we can create this slide and how it looks like. It has its effects, so let's start. At first, you need the picture. Sorry, it crashed. It happens sometimes. We just need to wait for it. Okay, the waiting is taking longer than I thought. So let's try to close it. Okay, now we are here. How we can create that? Okay, at first we need to insert a new slide. In the new slide, we need to format the background and add our picture to the background from insert image. I'm going to go with this. Then this shape is important, how to add that, because this is the core of the rotation. So let's try to add it. I created many times in the channel, but it's always been nice to create it again. 1, 2, by holding Ctrl and Shift 3, then 4. But you see, we must have some non-alignment, but it's okay. Select all of them and make them 1. Then just simply insert a rectangle, the size you want, or the better way is to add a circle the size you want. So how to understand if the circle is placed well or not? Just simply format the color to black and reduce the transparency so you can find the circle if it's placed nice or not. Okay, it's not good enough because of what? Because we need to bring out the shape outline so we can see better. Let's reduce its size. Okay, it's good. Then select all of them and make them fragment. Now we bring this out and delete all the joints. This is the shape we want. And this is the thing that's going to rotate. You can, by a simple way, add a circle for that also if you want. It's up to you. Then send it to back. But change the color so you can see if it's aligned or not. Now select both of them, align them center, middle. Now they are aligned. Now what we need to do, we need to make a rotations. I'm going to go with white and teal. Oh, I create them very small, I think. We can increase the size if we want. Now, what we do, we just go to animations and make it rotate. Then after that, we set a start with previous and go to animation pane and the timing. Repeat until the end of the slide. Okay, now we have it. We copy this slide after applying the background to all. Copy this slide and just create this same shape. It's just easy one. You are just using your shapes. And for that thing, I'm going to use these two of these. Reduce the size. Put them in the right place. Then copy this slide and add your text in the last slide. And just simply bring these things to the up. Bring these things to the up. And these two things to the down. And set the transition to morph. Your slide is ready. Let's take a look. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice time.